What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Havoc. I gotta do a little kind of a different unboxing for you here from the campground. So I have, boom, this is a Anker SOUNDCORE immersive 360 sound partycast speakers. I actually have two of them. We're gonna check this out and see how they sound. Let's get into it. All right, this is gonna be a little different unboxing because, like I said, I am outside, I am camping. So here's the box. The outside shell actually slides off. Standard box says Flare 2 on the front there. You flip that open and we'll pull this little tab out. Okay, so that probably has some cables inside. I'll look at it in a second. And then right there is your actual speaker. It comes just in a nice plastic molded area, so protective. This actually isn't very big, so it's going to be perfect, I think, for the application I want to use it for. Oh, it's kind of like this bluish purple color. I didn't expect that. It's very hard and sturdy. Rubber on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around on your table. And then up on the top, you have power button, volume up, volume down, and I'm guessing this little sun icon is like to control the lights on it. On the back, you have Bluetooth connect button. This says bass, so it's probably the bass boost we were talking about earlier. And then it says Flare 2 here. I'm guessing we can pop that cover off and charge it. Yep, so there's USB-C inside that cover there that you can, I'm guessing, to charge it. Who knows if you can plug it in like a computer or something with USB-C and actually use it as a speaker that way and not Bluetooth. So inside the little black box here, we have quick start guide. We have a USB-C cable. And then we have, yeah, it's just instructions. So I'm not gonna unbox the second one for this video because they're both exactly the same. So let me see if I can get some Wi-Fi here at the campground, put the app on my phone, and we'll get this set up. We're installing the app right now. The internet's pretty slow, so while the app is installing on my phone, I'll kind of go through this a little bit with you. So the power button, we hold it for like 2 seconds. You can hear the noise it makes. It's probably hard to see, but the actual LED lights up top are spinning colors. They are on the bottom as well. But then again, if you hold the button down and turn it off hold it for 2 seconds. So it has really like audible on and off sounds for you. So I got the app downloaded, and unfortunately it's gonna be hard to see here because I'm outside and there's a glare on the screen. But the SOUNDCORE app does require you to create an account, so I had to create an account to log into it. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the Flare series because that's what I have for these speakers. It has a list of speakers. We have the Flare 2, so I'll do that. It's searching. The directions say on the back of the device, hold down the button here for Bluetooth for 2 seconds, so we'll hold that down. As you can hear, it's now trying to find. Let me go back and do my Flare 2 again. We're searching. Select your SOUNDCORE device in settings, go Bluetooth settings. Now I actually have SOUNDCORE Flare 2 here on my phone. We are now paired. It says pair with SOUNDCORE Flare 2. We're gonna do pair. And then you hear the noise that we are paired. Let me get it set up with doing some music and we'll test out what it sounds like. Got some royalty-free music going here. It actually sounds really good. It's got really good bass actually. Let me turn off the bass with the bass button. So that's with the bass off. That's with the bass on. So it actually sounds really good. I'm surprised. Let me go ahead and lower it. So again, you have like your buttons up top here. I'm gonna lower the sound with this one. One kind of really cool thing I just noticed within the app. So here is, sorry, I got my dog Bailey behind me. She's kind of like, she's digging the tunes too. I've got the app here. There's light effects inside the app. You can turn this on, and then we can turn on different kind of like preset mode, and I have full control of the actual speaker. I can do the lights right here with this little button. Over here I got the equalizer. I can play and stop. I can change the volume here with that slider if I wanted to. One really cool thing though too is there's a power button. So if I hold this power button up here, it turns the speaker off. You can't turn it back on. You have to do manual turn on, but yeah, that's really cool. I did end up unboxing the second one. So this is the master one and this is the child one. It took a little bit to get them connected together. You did push the little Bluetooth button on the back for 3 seconds and it turns to a white light instead of a blue light. And then over here on the child one, you do the same thing. And so then they end up pairing together. So the lights are the same on both. And on the parent one, you get the volume control, also controls the one on the child one. Overall, pretty good experience, good product. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell so you know the next one drops, and we'll see you next time.